Hey, my beautiful people, how you all doing? Happy New Year to each and every one of you on this platform. You are welcome to BG's Hairwaves TV, your number one channel of choice when it comes to black women hairstyles. Thinking about the big chop, but afraid it will suit you, or maybe you are already rocking that short hair and need a fresh 2026 glow up. Well, you're in the right place. Today on BJ's Airways TV, I'm breaking down the top 7 short hairstyles that are taking over this year, from the effortless fresh bob to the classic taper cut. Stay tuned because style number 5 is currently viral with over 16 million views for a reason. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy this video from the beginning to the end, and you'll be glad you did. All props and credits in this video goes to our creative hairstylist who gave us the opportunity to showcase the styles to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. As you can see, all the beautiful black women on this particular video, they are so happy for the big transformation did to them by this creative hairstylist. Just tell me the your best style at the comment section below. Let me know the best style that you love in this video that suits your personality. Just let me know. Comment your best style below. Let me know your thoughts. Leave your thoughts down at the comment section. So sit back, relax, enjoy this video from the beginning to the end, and you'll be glad you did. All props and credits in this video goes to our creative hairstylist who have lost the opportunity to showcase all the styles to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Enjoy it, and don't forget to comment, like, and leave your thoughts down at the comment section below. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.